The successful lemonade stand. The successful lemonade stand. When John was a child, he decided he wanted to start his own business. He lived in a neighborhood with many families. So he thought he could start a lemonade stand and sell his product to thirsty passers-by. John spent a few days making a sign for his stand and getting all the necessary supplies. He made sure to price his lemonade at a fair price that people would be willing to pay. On the day of the opening of his lemonade stand, John woke up early and set up his stand on the sidewalk in front of his house. He used social media to promote his business, and soon enough, people began to show up to buy his lemonade. John's lemonade was so delicious that his customers began to spread the word to their friends and family. Soon enough, John had a line of people waiting to buy his lemonade every day. John learned that starting a business takes hard work and dedication. But with the right product and a fair price, success is possible.